Bangkok is cheap, everybody knows that, but how cheap? Since I moved to Southeast Asia February this year, Bangkok in a weird digital nomad way became my home. Not only Bangkok is cheap, but it's also very comfortable, meaning that you can live here a pretty luxurious life without drawing too much attention. During my time in Bangkok, I learned how to manage my Thai bahts in a smart way, so I rarely spend more than $1,000 a month. In this video we're gonna go over all my expenses, from the highest to the lowest one. This is my apartment. There is a living room, a bedroom, a bathroom, a kitchen, a balcony, and a pretty nice urban view. Of course, it also has 2 ACs, a washing machine and all the utilities you can think of. But the best part are the amenities that come with this condo. There is a full-fledged park located in the middle of the building, with a few swimming pools, numerous walking paths to get your steps without leaving the building, and of course a pretty cool gym right there. By the way, the location of this condo is also great. It can't get more central than this. The best food courts and food markets in the city are within walking distance. Me and Yana originally booked this place on Airbnb, and after she left, I live here by myself. Of course, I went off the platform and negotiated the price with the landlady, so now I pay, are you ready? 22,000 Thai bahts, which is $633 a month. I think the original price was like maybe 30% higher, so it's always worth to trying to meet in the middle. To be honest with you, it's kinda hard to say exactly how much I spent on food each month, because food in Thailand, it's not just food, it's more like an experience, you know, all those night markets, delicious desserts, bubble teas. So let's better take a look at my food menu for today. Early in the morning I usually go to the small market nearby to buy some pineapple for later. It costs 25 baht. Yep, just 25 baht. The same pineapple in the touristy area would cost maybe like 100 baht, so just saying. Then around noon I go to the Top's food court and break my fast. Pork and rice, or chicken and rice, or beef and rice. I usually eat one meal there and grab 1 or 2 meals to go. And I'm the fan of Top's food courts. They're the best, they are literally everywhere, super affordable and usually pretty tasty. As a snack I would eat that pineapple or some ripe mango or some sweets. And for dinner I usually eat what I bought at the food court, or I just go to the Jot Fairs market for a bite. All in all, my food expenses for today will be 220 baht or $6.31. So I'm pretty sure I don't spend on food more than $200 a month. Delivery? Nope. Pad Thai in touristy areas? No thank you. I'd say I'd spend on food as much as your average middle-class office worker in Bangkok. So I live a pretty frugal life right now, and my entertainment options are watching movies at home, getting a Thai massage, or walking around street food markets or malls, or getting one of those Korean hot pots in a local restaurant. On average, a massage costs around 300 baht, a food market walk usually ends up me spending around 200 baht, and movies at home, well, that's a freebie. So for example, last week I hit the market, had a hot pot and got a massage. The total damage was 850 baht. I don't do much shopping, I don't drink, I don't smoke. Also, I rarely use taxis or public transport because everything I need is within walking distance. If I take a metro, it's usually around 50 baht, and Grab or taxi costs between 50 baht to 400 baht. I also pay 300 baht for the unlimited mobile data, and I think that's pretty much it. And that's how I managed to live a pretty decent life here in Bangkok, Thailand for just $1,000 a month. So what do you think? Would this city and this lifestyle work for you? Let me know in the comments.